one needs to go. It's time to go. We're gonna say goodbye. You can't see it now, but I guarantee you these drawers are ow. Hey guys, my name's Lippy, and we're gonna do something that we have been trying to do. I have been trying to do for years and years of my life. Properly organize my makeup. So I keep all my makeup in this right over here, this thing. It also has snacks in it, it has some medicine in it. It just needs to be cleaned out and it needs to be organized properly. And today is the day because during quarantine, I was like, we're gonna get this mess under control. We are going to invest in ourselves. Invest in yourselves. We're just gonna go over here and clean it up. And what you guys don't see is this thing that I've had forever. Makeup in here. This is my makeup also. This was my everyday makeup because I wouldn't go into here. So this one needs to go. It's time to go. We're gonna say goodbye. And we're gonna do a little bit of a unboxing. I got this package from Vanity collection all the way from Australia. So let's just open her up. Let's just see what comes out. Also, if anyone's wondering, I've got shorts on. Don't be weird, okay? It says the modern makeup storage. I will be the judge of that. Wow, what a beaut. Here we are. It is beautiful. Here is my desk. It is clean. It is organized. On this side is all my work stuff, my business stuff, and over here is all of my fun makeup things. These are the drawers we organized. So let's get a little closer. Our nice brushes and the middle brushes and then dirty brushes. We have a setting spray and then we have a candle and a little amethyst. And then over here is my makeup mirror. We also got some tea. Would recommend. We'll talk about it then. Keep watching. And these are the drawers. Okay, so this drawer is supposed to have mainly more of my everyday makeup things. So we have some mascara, we have setting spray, foundations, highlighters, bronzers, blushes, anything. And then in the back we have a couple of extras like beauty blenders and whatnot. First drawer. Second one, these are mainly my eyeshadows. I have so many units here, who would have thought, but a lot of color pop. Okay, so this kind of became the catch-all drawer. So over here we have a lot of our face products. We have bronzers, highlighters. We have our Huda Beauty little makeup palettes. We have some of our eyeliners. We have eyelashes. We have the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, the Becca's. We have little samples. We have travel sizes. We have all the things. And we have this little voucher for a mascara. So catch-all drawer. And then this became our palettes drawer. So back here we have gloves, and then we have some like tattoos and gems from music festivals, but everything else are my palettes. Some of these palettes are so old but cannot bear to get rid of them. This is my newest one, so excited for it. Got it during quarantine. And then over here is our last one. So again, I realized I need more makeup, and whether that's good or bad, I have all my lipsticks, my lip glosses, my little crayons. I do have a couple mascaras over here, but this is what it looks like. And that's it. Here we are. We're at the end. We're drinking some tea. We're living. Hello. Refreshing. Okay. So anyway, I hope you guys like watching this. I thought it was very satisfying I've been editing a little bit and it kind of seems a little fun, kind of seeing the whole process, and now I just have some organized makeup, a couple things, a couple takeaways. One, I no longer have a food drawer. I'm very sad about this because I love to eat. Something else I learned is I don't have that much makeup to fill it up. Like, I definitely have some old things. It's kind of old. It's been with me for a while and I refuse to throw some of it out. But, like, I could get more makeup now, but, like, bad habit. So, that is the end of that section of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know. I will leave the product link in the description bar. Again, paid for it with my own money. Would recommend. That's about it. Before you go, one thing I want to talk about, obviously, is drinking tea. I literally drink tea every single day of my whole entire life, and there is a product that I wanted to share with you guys. You might have heard of it. It is called SipsBy. I don't even have the box cute because, like, I go to it every single day. But basically what it is a tea subscription service. Here we are. Here it is. Go online, you take a quiz, and you tell them your taste preferences, what you want in a tea, and then they will ship you a custom box. It is $15. I have a $5 off your first box. Use my code Lippy5. I recommend it. I genuinely 100% definitely use this every day, and I love it. So the ones that I got for this month, we have blueberry tea. This is the one I'm drinking right now. It smells like blueberries. We have dandelion red chai, love chai tea latte. And then my favorite one of the month, I think, I only have 2 of these left, is the black currant beauty. It's purple and beautiful and smells amazing. So love that. And then the one I drank yesterday was the almond orange green. Okay, I've never seen them come in these little containers, so I'm kind of excited. And if you guys have loose tea, you definitely need something to kind of strain it in. So they come up with their own little baggies that's like, put your tea in it and you good to go. Yeah, and then it comes with this cute little card. Made for Lippy, and then it tells you about your tea, how long you should steep it, the flavors, and yeah, that's about it. That's about it. Okay, I'm gonna go. Ding! Cheers! I don't know what's wrong with me. I gotta go. I need to go apartment shopping stressed. Okay, bye guys.